Well, it will be 1024 the vehicle. I don't have the 28 yet. There's 2 units in front of me. It's a gray SUV. They're not stopping yet. Northbound on Crutcher. 15. Taking a right on standby. Taking a right on Cottle. I believe we're going to be 1037.
Take a right on Cottle Avenue, Crutcher Street. Yeah, we're definitely 1037. Yep.
Desmond, you want primary or not?
No, they're primary. Yeah. You already know how to go. What's your easy? Is Jacob Dunn? I'm visually saw him.
We're going to be eastbound on Emma. Eastbound Emma.
Yeah, we're eastbound Emma. What else would you Washington County just want to take over?
10-4. Desmond, you want primary? We're going to be... We're east on Huntsville. Passing Revival Tabernacle.
Yeah, we're passing Revival, still eastbound Emma. You want to pass Washington?
We're going to be south on Huntsville. We're east on Emma, my apologies. We're south on Huntsville.
Yeah, we're southbound on Huntsville.
I'm trying to get a TVI here.
Yeah, we're trying to do that. Southbound Butterfield. Speed still about 50. Yeah, we're speed still 60. Sorry, 7 feet. 78. Secondary, I'm waiting forward. Yeah. Speed's about 110, that's still southbound. Yeah, we're southbound, speed's already there. Still southbound, now for about? Still southbound, past 44. That's no way through. That's no way through. Well, we're going down Texas. Yeah, we're westbound on Texas.
TVI.
Yeah, we're TVI down Texas.
Back westbound.
Yeah, we're still westbound.
Okay, I'm primary southbound Butterfield coach.
Yeah, we're southbound Butterfield coach. 494 in secondary unit still staking. Become secondary again. Yep. 600. back in. Yep. Light traffic, 600. Look for light traffic, 600. Second state, yeah, second number, secondary.
Still southbound going towards, I believe it's going to be Joyce.
Order 23, into the soon as possible.
10-4.
Got lots of houses up there, State.
Okay, he's caught stuck behind a vehicle. Stand by. Okay, westbound on Joyce.
10-4, westbound Joyce.
I believe, look on the AVL, is this Joyce I'm on? I know it's going to run into Joyce.
You're back. They're westbound, just past Mountain Mission. 10-4, past Mountain Mission.
Right past crossover. Stand by. Still westbound on Joyce, west of crossover.
Westbound Joyce, past crossover.
Coming up on College.
We're coming to College.
Secondary.
Still on Joyce, going through College.
We're still on Joyce westbound.
Southbound still.
Yep, we're southbound still.
We're in the opposite lanes.
Yep, we're opposite lane.
We're on the wrong side.
Back to the right side.
Yep. County unit, update.
West on Shallow.
Yep, we're west on Shallow.
Going towards Greg.
Yep, we're going towards Greg.
Going south on Greg.
Yep, we're south on Greg.
What about he has the first passenger?
45 on the secondary. 45 used that car to take him out.
Speed of 100 on Greg, still southbound.
Passing. Good morning.
Take 4 passing, take more, still southbound.
West on north.
Take 4 west on North Street.
Oh, shit. 45's out of it.
Take 45.
I'm primary. The suspect is losing tires.
Take 4 your primary suspect losing tires.
Smoking real bad. Smoking so bad, I can barely see him right now. Okay, we're going the opposite lane.
We're going opposite lane.
Coming up on 49.
Do not let him get on the interstate going the wrong way.
Okay, we're going over the interstate, still westbound.
Take 4 over the interstate, still westbound.
We got a little bit of traffic right here.
Take 4.
Turning on Steamboat.
Turn on Steamboat.
Get your fucking hands up right now! Show me your hands right now! Get out! Driver, get out! Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Okay. Shut your mouth, we're not talking to you.
Get on your knees.
Get on your knees.
Roll out the driver's side.
Get over there, ma'am. Step to...
Hands on...
Get us some units up here. Get some units up here.
All
right.
I can turn 3, so 300.
Alright.
Yeah, well, they're sitting at what they get in Steamboat.
Don't move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Turn your head that way. Cross your legs. Cross your legs. Cross your legs. I don't give a fuck about your knees.
Jam behind your back. miles an hour. You think my patience is down here? Get over here.
I ain't nothing to do with that.
I don't care.
State got 3.
15, 10, 15, 3 times.
4 copy, 10, 15, 3 times. Got anybody else spotting code for the ball out?
Hey, calm down, calm down.
No, that was fucked up.
Calm down, calm down. It's over
I
with.
fucked up, man.
Okay, we know. Calm down. We all calm down, all right? All right. All right. Let me pat you down right quick. Yeah, tell me to release. You can release the net.
The dog's nice.
Yeah, 4 ball, yes. 10, 6, 3. 3, 11, 10, 6, 4, 11, 47.
Jake, could you release one of them too?
Okay, what now?
My dog?
Yeah. We'll take care of him. I'm a dog person. We'll take care of him.
My baby.
Where's your dog?
Pretty boy, yes.
We'll take care of him. Come on over here for me.
Boy, tell her to release the patch.
You guys need anything from us?
No, we good. Come on, right over here.
Well, is this going to say? Yeah, that's 10-4.
Let me double lock though. I don't want them tighten up on you, all right?
You get my phone?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Will you give me some numbers out there?
I'll get it for you. Where's it at? In the front seat?
It should be.
Okay. All right.
Well, I don't have any external thing. It's all internal.
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat right there for me, okay? All right.
That ain't fitting on.
I know it, man. It's a little bit tight in there, brother. Hey, girl. Oh, did you go for a ride? I don't know.
Telling for both 22 and 45's vehicle or go off rotation. Oh, yeah.
Oh,